using the analogy of a highway, each change is a speed bump, right, that you're putting in. You could be putting in that speed bump because you're in the neighborhood and you have kids playing, so you should put that speed bump and it justifies. In the professional world, that speed bump could be a financial diligence or a legal compliance item, so that absolutely is required to be there. But on the flip side, are we putting in a speed bump that doesn't need to be there, right? And that could be going into two tools to do parts of the same thing, or it could be filling out a new form, or it could be an extra approval that perhaps you don't need. So when you sort of put a premium on thinking about it, am I introducing a speed bump, or am I introducing a ramp that allows me to go faster? Those type of things that kind of help in terms of deciding where to go, because the temptation of buying that new tool or the temptation of putting a new approval, it's pretty strong, and it may feel right, may feel like you need it, but you just have to pause and double click on it.